Okay, so these are J.F. Helmold and Brothers Incorporated, steel cutting and bending machines. And what they do is, typically, you use them with steel rule. These machines also happen to come with a large quantity of steel rule. The steel rule, what it is it's sharpened, it's got a blade on one side, and then on the other side it's flat. And what you can do with this is you can use these machines to make various shapes, like that, and then what you get is you can get a die, basically, out of it that allows you to put it over, say, a piece of leather or a piece of paper. And there are dies available, so you're not limited to just the few that we have. We'll come over here. These are the ones that are included. These are the only ones I've had. So you're getting what I have. But they're not, terribly expensive, the dies. In fact, you can get sets. But once you make something like this, you can put that over a piece of leather or a piece of paper and just tap it with a hammer and cut it. And then you get whatever shape, and it's repeatable, right? So you can bend these dies into all different shapes. Right here, there's a notcher. So what that's good for is if you imagine if you took a notch out of this, basically it would cut up to a point and then stop and then start again. So you'd get like a little tab that was still connected on whatever you punched. If you get serious and you want to use these to make like actual dies, what you can do is you can affix these to plywood. Typically what they do is they use a jigsaw to cut the plywood where they want the steel rule to go. They bend the steel rule, they fit it into the plywood, glue it down, and then you can put it in a machine called a clicker press. And there's a couple of clicker presses in the area actually on Craigslist right now. So that's something that you could do. All right. Okay. All right, so this table also comes with these machines. Notice that we've got a big metal clamp here. Basically what you do is you stick the front of the machine through there, and that gives you leverage so that when you're pushing down on this, the table doesn't come up or the machine doesn't come up. It all stays really, really sturdy. And you can bend anything and you don't have to hold anything down or step on the table or anything. The table is made out of steel and plywood, very heavy, probably over 100 pounds. So that's included with all the machines.